Ripple XRP major warning happening now. We'll begin with taking a look at the Fear and Greed Index for the entire crypto space. And as you guys can see, we are currently at extreme fear, that is level 25. But we're positive that with the next upgrade, the Fear and Greed Index number is going to get low. And as mentioned before, the lower we go, the better buying opportunity it is. Which reminds us about the saying, buy when there's blood in the streets. Yes, that's exactly what we're talking about. We're going to buy as much as we can. And as for you guys, get ready for the number to go low. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we're going to talk about major XRP warnings happening now. Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We'll also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end to find out. And before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
Want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO, recently said, as tweeted by @CryptoWhale, that he doesn't think that the government can destroy crypto, but what they can do is slow down its advancement. That's profound and of course makes a lot of sense. The SEC went after Ripple Labs, and apparently all they did was slow them down, yet they can't make them go away. The Ripple team isn't stopping anytime soon. They're going to fight tooth and nail, as anticipated by a lot of crypto experts. Ripple Labs, despite the lawsuit, is working pretty fine. They're getting new partnerships, new collaboration, they're innovating as much as they can, and it is rather fascinating to note that the number of active XRP wallet addresses has grown by over 200% in the past 3 months, which proves that the SEC can slow them down a bit, but under no circumstances can stop them. At the same time, we see the entire XRP army very motivated and optimistic. We see them saying good things about XRP, and of course, they are bullish about the future price of XRP, as a lot of traders talk about high prices, which also proves our previous point. Now, @Defender Dark recently tweeted, XRP is stuck between 90 cents and 95 cents, and is standing on the support line. If it is broken, then we can have a double tap around 85 cents and 75 cents. If she can hold here, the resistance will be 96 cents and $1.33. Okay, so to elaborate it a bit, let's take a look at the chart. There's still a possibility of us going lower. The support levels are at 90 cents, 85 cents, and 75 cents. So we're pretty sure that we're going to 85 cents to 75 cents. There's going to be extreme fear, and the number will be somewhat close to 12 to 15. That in turn is the best time to buy, and as said before, we're going to buy as much as we can. We'll make sure to keep you updated. Before moving on, let's make one thing clear. This is not financial advice, but what we are talking about here is just our strategy. Now, let's talk a little about Bitcoin and the fact that Bitcoin is dumping because at the end of the day, the fluctuation in Bitcoin affects the entire crypto market. So what's happening with the RSI is that we are at the resistance right now. So what we need to do for the RSI is to literally get above the 69 level, hold it, and then go higher. If we go to a very short time frame, we have a red dot, meaning the money flow is coming down, which means that a bigger dump is probably inbound. This is why we're bearish about Bitcoin. Nevertheless, it is a great buying opportunity. One thing that we need to remember, guys, is that trading is all about possibilities. And then when it comes to cryptocurrency, anything can happen within a short period of time. So as we have witnessed in the previous Bitcoin dump, we might consolidate or go a little low for a bit, and you all know what happens next. The prices are going to skyrocket. We're not spewing nonsense here. It's happened before, and it can happen again. All we are waiting for right now is a little more dump to take place so we could be buying guys. That's our plan. What's yours? Moving on, at TechDev_52 recently tweeted, all the bearish TA I've seen fails when back-tested on the one on the right. To me, that suggests its accuracy on the one on the left. So he's basically comparing the 2021 Bitcoin to the 1970s gold Bitcoin. What we see is a resistance trend line on both sides, and anyone who knows even a little about cryptocurrency can easily figure out that the two look very similar. So what's going to happen next is that we're going to break out of the resistance line, which for now is somewhere around 80K, retest it, and eventually go higher and higher, and ultimately reach the all-time highs. We are pretty sure that the whales want to manipulate as much as possible before the next up or down. Let's now take a look at this tweet by Johal Miles. He says, BTC.D looking interesting, perhaps going for an early breakout ahead of October, or could be a fake out. So again, if we somehow manage to break the resistance, we're going to witness Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin is going to explode. It's going to take all the money from the other cryptocurrencies. Looking at a bullish case perhaps, Coinbase tweeted approving a Bitcoin ETF and instantly deleted it. Strictly speaking, the tweet said, Coinbase report, expect growth in crypto funds and SEC approved ETF soon. And it has a link attached to it. Well, we think of it as manipulation at its finest. So what they are trying to do is manipulate it for Bitcoin to go down so it could fool people, and then instead of going down, it goes higher. We have been hearing a lot of people say that this is very bullish for Bitcoin in general, and we're still in a bull market at this point. Now, at Ripple Xrp tweeted, XRP is going to bridge every currency. So go ahead and comment down below what price do you think XRP will top at, or if there will ever be a top. For us personally, we're seeing the price go easily above $50 in our humble opinion. That's because if we look at the utility and the events taking place, we need to see those higher prices for XRP to really be used. Liquidity. So a lot of people have different numbers, but at the end of the day, all that matters is for it to be a high one. Next up, we have a tweet that we're going to talk about from Sir Rob Art LL1 that says, I talk about XLM, XRP a lot because XRP is still 76% below its all-time high and a top 10 coin. I sold 80% of my BTC when it was 320% above its ATH and 70% of ETH 150 to 200% above its ATH. How is XRP not undervalued? And if it's a S coin, why is it still a top 6 even after the SEC? So even if XRP is a meme coin or S coin, and while some people might think that it's not good as it has no utility whatsoever, so for what possible reason is it still in the top 10? So in our humble opinion, and not financial advice, don't sell. Not just yet. We are not selling until we see those high prices. Another notable tweet from @JThereToHelp1 says, risk equals possible 10% to 20% downside. Reward equals 1000% plus from current price. You have to decide if a little pain is worth a lot of gain. I can't make that decision for you. I know how this plays out. Take a look at the risk to reward ability. It's pretty straightforward. It's simple math. There's nothing to explain. At the end of the day, if you want massive returns, you're going to have to take up some amount of risk. It's all about probabilities. XRP is going to go crazy, and we're here for it. At the end, as promised, we have the XRP price predictions and analysis. XRP is currently trading at $1.045 US. If you buy XRP for $100 today, you'll get a total of 95.696 XRP. Based on our forecast, a long-term increase is expected, and with a 5-year investment, the revenue is expected to be around plus 259.52%. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. The data and analysis given in this video doesn't comprise investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. This content in this video is for instructive purposes only and should not be considered as monetary guidance. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about XRP soaring in price in the near future. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.